Kings of Crunch Series 3 1972 Chevrolet K10 AM/PM Boss. The other trucks in this series include the 1972 Chevrolet K10, 1972 Chevrolet C20 Gentle Ben 1, 1974 Ford F-250 Midwest 4-Wheel Drive Center, 1979 Ford F-250 God of Thunder, and 1979 Ford F-350 High Roller. This truck has a lot of colors on it: the blue, the pink, the white, red, and the orange. Back here, it looks like maybe it has a sponsor. Not quite sure on that. I really like the blue roll bar coming down into the back of the bed of the truck. We're gonna turn it around here. In the front then, you have that Chevy grill with the lights, and then there is a little wrench in the front of the bumper. And then inside, the steering wheel and all inside with the sitting area is white. There we go. There's a nice shot. And then we have some lights on top of the roll bar. And then there's also lights on top of the truck. We'll turn it this way so you can see it from this side. And then on the back, it has Chevrolet on the tailgate. So, AM/PM Boss, and also the super special golf truck is based out and owned by the same person out in California, according to Monster Trucks Wikia on Fandom. So, hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing of the AM/PM Boss.